Hi everyone. Today's tool is the dimmable sunlight wall mount mirror by Zadro. Some of the reasons I bought this particular mirror is because it is dimmable, and I like the satin nickel finish, the 10-time magnification. I'm going to have to hardwire this mirror, and I'll show you the steps.
Here is the model number and warranty info. I had my last mirror for close to 10 years.
I'm going to place my new makeup mirror where my old one used to be, right where this electrical box is. So I'm going to have to snake the wire, go through the back, and then connect it to this receptacle. Be sure to turn off the power. Now, when I say turn off the power, I just don't mean from here, but here. When you figured out where you want to place your makeup mirror, where you want to drill your hole, make sure that the wall doesn't have any electrical wiring in the back and that you don't hit any studs. You can use a stud finder, and also you can knock. See how it sounds hollow, and then it sounds different here because there's a stud behind there.
This is the electrical box that I used years ago when I first installed my makeup mirror, before YouTube. As you can see, it holds up to 50 pounds. Definitely overkill. To install it, I had to remove that plastic part and then snake it through the hole. And then, using screws, I attached each end to the wall studs. I wouldn't use that today. Today I would use this one. Or maybe something like this one. You don't have to screw in the ends. You just hand tighten it between the studs. Place your electrical box or circle in your desired location on the wall, and then trace around the electrical box. Yeah, try to be a little neater than I was in this example.
Now, I'm just replacing my old makeup mirror, but for those of you putting in a new one, you're going to get your drill, and with the spade drill bit, you're going to make your pilot hole. Once you have your pilot hole cut, the next step is to use the hacksaw and cut that drywall out. I've turned off the power for this outlet, and my circuit tester tells me that it is turned off. See, no glowing lights. I've taken the screws out so that I can remove this electrical box or circle. Now I can fish the wire through the back. Then my next step is to pull out that outlet so I can get to the connections. Here is the close-up of the wiring for my receptacle. I know, it looks like a mess, but see the black wire? That's the hot wire. So it comes from the back one of the black goes straight into the receptacle, then the other one goes in here. This right here is my makeup mirror's wire, this translucent one. Then we have the white wires. One of them goes straight into the receptacle, right there. And then the other one goes in with this. And there is my makeup mirror, the other wire for my makeup mirror. Then this wire here is called pigtailing. You cut a short wire, connect it, put a cap on it, and then put it into the receptacle. Same thing with this one, pigtailing. There's the pigtail going straight in. The copper wire here, that's the grounding wire. So that comes from the back and into the receptacle, that one right there.
Here is a textbook example of what I did.
I want to remind you all that I'm not an electrician. And you know how you know that? Is because I forgot to snake the wire through the box. So I forgot to snake the wire through the electrical box. So the textbook thing to do would be to disconnect the wires, turn off the power, take it out of the back, and then snake it through, and then do the whole connections again. But I didn't want to do that. So what I did with my Dremel, I cut a piece off. Now I can just put it in and then pull the wire through that, and there you go. See those two holes right here? This one and this one. So the screws go in there, and then I screw it in to this bar. That's what holds the electrical box. This bar is very strong, very strong. So the two screws go in there, and they go right into that bar, and that's what holds it up. Nice and sturdy. Next is to attach this plate to the electrical box. Be sure to tighten these nuts here, and then screw down these two.
Use a screwdriver to hand tighten the last few turns. Don't over tighten. Then tuck in all the wires.
Okay, gotta put these last two nuts on. So it's all done. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, this is how you use it. Pull it out. Pulls out pretty good. Then, if I want to sit down, I just push this down here. And if I'm sitting, I could do my makeup. Or if I want to stand, push it up. Love this extending arm. Push it out of the way when I'm done. Let's turn it on. One of the reasons I bought it is because it has the dimmer. Love the dimmer. So that's the 10-time magnification right there. Really, really great. Woo! And then the regular. Hi! Don't I look wonderful? Really happy with this makeup mirror. I have to do a little bit of touch-up right in here, but otherwise I'm really happy with the way everything came out.